Salita.
Who's the one? Who's the one?
This is!
It's a setup!
Silence! Oh, sexy!
How about him?
Ito ang guys ni Bon.
Okay, here's mine.
You need to.
Oh, size.
Hey, Joyce.
One-on-one.
Joyce.
Joyce. Hey, Joyce.
How about
you
Joyce?
Dice. One.
I like it like this.
One on one.
Okay.
Oh, dos.
Hold it. I need to open it.
Open it. I go. For you.
Only one.
Okay.
Whole bottle.
Bottoms up.
Whole bottle.
Bottoms up.
Oh, chupchak. One.
No, not one. The biggest.
Okay. Biggest is...
One is the biggest.
Okay, one is the
And then
biggest, six is the
The
lowest.
smallest is
Okay.
2.
One on one.
Two.
Whole bottle.
I
Two
lose.
bottle. Isa pa, pare. Parinig ko ito.
Walang mic.
Ito.
Is this all six?
Isa pa. Oh, by the way, happy birthday, ha? Happy birthday.
Showtime.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hindi pala ako nag-ahit.
Pare, mag-violin ka muna, violin. Ubusin mo.
Dali na, nasusuka na ako eh. Okay, happy birthday again.
Oh, I'm so sorry. One more game.
Oh, one more game.
Last na lang. Oh, last na lang, Selo. Ay, ito. Oh, ito pa. Oh, Sel.
Hey, Lusa. How about this game? The biggest or the smallest to drink it?
Can I choose which one is the lowest?
Oh, the lowest.
The lowest is 1. The highest is 6, okay?
Yeah.
You can say a dice. Number 5 or either one. Then who dice this number?
Okay.
Okay.
Kunyari, number 4.
I choose number... Ano ba?
Pabili.
I'll choose number
Saan pandesal dyan, pare?
Okay. You dice number 5.
Yeah.
You need to drink it.
Yeah.
Oh, you're the first one.
Yeah.
Please.
I hate you guys.
Just rescue.
See, I can hand this off.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Tuwa ka. It's your birthday, masaya na happy. You must drink with me. Sabi? Bottoms up. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
Oh, say happy birthday first.
I'm looking for which is his next number.
Yo, timing ka naman.
2 photos.
Ay.
Oh, ano na?
Let me check my dice. Baka lahat 5 eh.
Sayaw mo na, sayaw.
Bibigyan kita pare.
Okay, next number.
Next number.
Pass.
May barko na po, tanga.
Okay, who's first? I've done my part.
Ikaw mamimili. Kung sino ang una. Number mo muna.
Roderick.
Oh, okay.
Number mo muna. Ano number?
Which number?
2. Pag 2 ka, lakla ka. Ha?
Oh.
The next one.
That's...
I said 1.
No, not me. No. After I lost.
Trick.
How about Queen?
Queen.
Dice it.
Oh,
Ano
dice it.
number?
Dice it.
6.
6.
5. 5.
Next one.
Number.
Not my lucky
Number.
day.
Oh, po Sheila.
Russell naman.
Share.
Oh.
3.
3.
Tapos bigla nag-3.
Lakla.
Hindi ko kaya.
Dead.
Go ahead.
Inumin mo yan. Inumin mo yung problema.
Napapili na pagkaan.
Oh. May sayaw yung kanina yung...
Sasayaw. Come on.
Sino daw tutulong? Hindi ka sa kanila. Sino yung inom?
Si Russell. Oh, sayaw.
Oh, yeah, sasayaw.
Gusto ko yan.
Kaya nawawala ng boses eh. Ano ba yan? Ano ba to? Panay tayo.
Who's next?
6.
Oh, sige, mamili ka. Kung sino yung...
Oh, kami, lumaban na kami. Hindi, mamili ka.
Mamili ka.
Either Mio.
The birthday celebrant.
Yes! The birthday celebrant.
Oh.
Yes.
Cherry. Pop
Sherry. Oh, what number? What number do you... No, not yet.
Wala, tapos na. Ayun na, 5 na lumabas.
Okay.
Oh, about choice. You.
How about you?
It's your turn.
Number
Oh,
6.
Joyce.
How about...
Number 6.
Come on. 6.
Oh, boy.
Yes,
I'm not here.
Sherry can help you.
Joyce will.
Joyce will dance. Like
Joyce.
this, Joyce.
Tama po.
Parang dolphin.
Oo, sarap.
Parang dolphin lang.
Pagdating ng message, huwag nang matutulog, baka panaginipan ko.
Alright, happy birthday! Woo! Woo! Thank you very much for inviting us here, huh?
Sorry, wala.
Yeah!
Next time, ha?
Not fair. Next time.
Until next
we'll do
time.
this
See you.
again.
Thank you.
Tara na, uwi na.
Okay, let's go home. The session is
1, 2.
adjourned, finish. Sa pa pare?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.